The return of the Honda Prelude has sparked significant excitement among automotive enthusiasts, and the 2026 model brings a fresh yet familiar face to the streets. After being absent from the market for over 2 decades, Honda's decision to revive this iconic nameplate is more than just a nostalgic move. It's a bold step into the future of sporty, electrified performance. The 2026 Prelude aims to bridge Honda's high-revving heritage with modern hybrid efficiency, making it one of the most anticipated releases of the decade. Unlike many modern coupes, the new Prelude isn't trying to mimic luxury or pure performance. Instead, it strikes a fine balance. Visually, the car is sleek and athletic, with a low-slung profile that recalls its predecessors while embracing a new design language. It features sharp LED lighting, a sculpted hood, and smooth lines that flow seamlessly from front to rear. The coupe silhouette is preserved, staying true to its roots while incorporating aerodynamic enhancements for better efficiency and handling. Under the hood, the 2026 Prelude is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain, aligning with Honda's global strategy to electrify its lineup. While exact specifications have not yet been officially confirmed, early reports suggest it will use a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with dual electric motors. This setup could deliver a combined output in the range of 200 to 250 horsepower. The focus here is not just speed, but also driving engagement and responsiveness, qualities that made the original Prelude beloved among enthusiasts. The car is likely to come with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, or possibly a performance-tuned eCVT, optimized for smooth yet sporty driving. Inside, the 2026 Prelude is expected to be both modern and driver-focused. Honda will likely incorporate a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a clean, minimalistic dashboard design. Quality materials, supportive seats, and subtle nods to its heritage, like red contrast stitching or aluminum pedals, might also be part of the package. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring are likely standard, keeping the Prelude safe as well as stylish. From a market standpoint, the Prelude fills a gap that has been widening in the automotive world: an affordable, stylish, and fun-to-drive coupe that doesn't rely on a massive V6 or V8 engine. It's aimed at younger drivers who crave excitement without sacrificing efficiency or modern tech. Pricing is expected to start in the low to mid $30,000 range, making it a strong competitor against models like the Toyota GR86 and Subaru BRZ, though its hybrid nature gives it a unique edge. Ultimately, the 2026 Honda Prelude is more than just a reboot, it's a reinvention. Honda is tapping into its past while embracing the demands of a greener, more tech-driven future. With its striking design, balanced performance, and efficient hybrid heart, the Prelude could very well redefine what a modern sport coupe should be. It's not about overpowering the road, it's about connecting with it, and that's something the Prelude has always done best.